Hello my friends, welcome back to the DELUXE channel. Came to a dealership. I'm gonna show you. Bob Pino, friends of mine, the owner, and he called me today. He said he has 3 units to do it, so I'm gonna do them right now today with you guys. Stay tuned with DELUXE. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe for DELUXE, smash that bell so you don't miss new videos that I'm posting. And we got this 2015 Chevy Impala. Somebody painted this bumper right here. It was all peeled off, so I already sanded it down, and we need to bundle couple spots here and there. I'm gonna cover this car. We got this 18 Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe. This bumper is so huge. It has so much masking on it. It's such a hard work and painful, I'm telling you. So we got this. We need to bundle right here a little bit, and couple dings-dangs right there for the Tahoe. So one more Kia Forte 2015. We need to paint this mirror. Somebody broke it, and we need to do it in white because it's yellow. Probably it's gonna take me, guys, maybe 2.5 hours to fix this, and stay with me and let's see how it goes and how it's gonna look. Alrighty, my friends, I already bundled this Impala right here, 2 spots. One more, third one in the corner. It was cracked here. The Tahoe is done too. Sand it down with 220, then 320, and this corner right here too. So we're ready. And the mirror, I'm gonna show you the mirror. Mirror is all taped up, and we're just gonna shoot that. That's it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this primer right here, 2-in-1 red 4623. Shake it well. And let's see, I'm gonna prime it with you. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, not a lot. No big damage, no big gouges, not a lot. Bam, right there. A little bit here. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, let it dry one more time, I think. Let's let it sit a little bit. Maybe cover a little bit here because it was paint peel off, and so looks something like this. Tahoe, nice and smooth, nice and light, nothing big. Let it dry. Bam, right there, right there, and this corner right here, nice and light. We don't need heavy, we don't need runs. Better do it 2 times, guys, then 1 heavy, and you're gonna have a run and you're stuck. You have to sand it down again, and it's waste of your time. On a little spots, guys, use always can primer. Don't use a primer, a mixable primer that you put it in a gun, spray gun. No good. Only can. Only can. I do this already for 10 years, maybe more. Only can. For light stuff. Second time. Right there. Bam, done. That's it. Done. That's it. Right there. Bam. Done. Done. A little bit heavier here, heavier, but this was a little bit two gouges right here. That's it, guys. Bam, bam, bada beam, bada boom. Done deal. That's it. So we'll have to wait, let it sit for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna send that primer down and get ready to paint. So bear with me, guys. All right, my friends. Impala is already painted. Remember what was here? Was here? It was bad. This guy is already painted. Looks perfecto. Let's go to Tahoe. The Tahoe is painted right here too. The corner. Right here and this corner, lower corner. It's already painted. And the white Kia, the mirror is painted 3-stage color. This is 3-stage color, so I'm gonna get ready to shoot clear. It's a beautiful day. Today is 85. I already mixed my clear 4-to-1, guys. If you can see, 4-to-1. So I'm gonna show you 4-to-1, 3 of clear, 3 of harder right here. 3 clear, 3 harder, a little bit of reducer, paint reducer. So it gets a little bit thinner, and it's nice and glossy. Nice and glossy. Reducer right there. Bam. Finish one. Clear coat. And I'm using medium hardener because today is hot. So that's it. This is my paint that I ordered for this baby right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and shoot clear and we'll see how it came out. Bear with me, guys. Okie dokie. I already put the clear on, guys. So look at this mirror. Nice and shiny. One time of clear. Beautiful. So this one is done. The Tahoe. Look at this huge bumper. Look how glossy it is. Barely dust. None. And shines very bright and nice. Pro. Black one, the hardest color. Looks gorgeous. Not a lot of dust, barely nothing. No runs. Shiny. Super shiny. That's what we got. I'm gonna get the masking tape and the plastic. Right now, I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and I'm gonna show you the colors and stick, how it came out. So bear with me. Just one sec. All right, guys, we're done. Look what I did. with Kia Forte, the driver's side mirror, 3-stage color, bam, right there, perfecto, right there, matches the color, very nice. It's already dry. Today is 75, 80s. Chevy Tahoe, beautiful. Damage was here, nothing there. Nice and shiny. Look at the color. Color is, you can't get better than that. Damage was here too. Very, very neat. Done deal with this one. Impala, the black girl right here. Look at this. Right there. Done. This color is so hard, black color, but it came out outstanding. Look, like a mirror right there, guys. Look, you can see everything. Guys, stay tuned with Deluxe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell, bam, so you know don't miss new videos coming up on Deluxe. And this baby is done. This boy is done. Blue boy right here, and white girl right there. So this what we got for today. Thank you for watching Deluxe, and have a nice day, and God bless you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.